Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a Google Cloud project and enabling the Gmail API. Once done, create an OAuth 2.0 client ID and download the credentials JSON. You should install the official client library for your language and place the credentials file where your app will read it. Next, initiate the Quick Start example code, pointing it at that credentials JSON so the flow can request consent. Make sure to choose appropriate scopes early to avoid reconsent later, and keep your client secret secure. You now perform the OAuth consent flow to get an access token and a refresh token. Once granted, store tokens securely and use the refresh token to obtain new access tokens automatically. Then build your Gmail service client using the authorized credentials. When sending mail, construct an RFC 2822 formatted message, base 64 URL encode the raw payload, and call users. Messages. Send with raw field. For reading, use users. Messages. List then users. Messages. Get. Make sure to set fields to limit payload size and reduce quota usage. You finish by running a local test and verifying messages arrive in the inbox. Once stable, deploy with credentials stored in environment variables or secret manager. Monitor API quota and handle errors with retries and exponential backoff. Make sure your redirect URIs and authorized JavaScript origins match production. If consent or scopes change, reauthorize users and rotate tokens. Troubleshooting tip. If requests fail with 401 or invalid grant, delete stored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.